is I'm having the thought that. It's a very neutral way of being able to get into this. So let's talk about setting clear intention. How many of us set an intention when we wake up in the morning for what the day is going to be like? Anybody else do that? Yeah, we got some people. If you're not doing that, I would highly suggest that that's something that you might want to start thinking about doing. When you wake up, setting the intention, because your thoughts create your world, your thoughts create your mind. Your thoughts create everything that happens next. Mindfulness is this state of being where we accept our feelings, we accept our thoughts, and then we are able to find a peace in a way. Your mind is somewhere else. How can you possibly be ready to pause, right? The power of the pause comes from you being able to be present and be aware that something's happening in your body. I want to teach you guys a couple of great breathing techniques that I am a really big fan of. This is the really fun one. You guys ready to hang 10? Ooh. All right, so you're going to go ahead and close off one of your nostrils. You're going to inhale through the right, close it off, and exhale through the left. Then the other side, inhale through the left, close it off, and exhale through the right. I want to tell you guys a quick story. I have a friend who's a practice owner. She hired an associate. She and I went to go to Hot Works together, and she had said that the production for this associate was not where she needed it to be. He was continually leaving money on the table. She just couldn't understand how he could be doing this, and she just was like, I don't understand, over and over again. And so we had a heart-to-heart about the acceptance of the reality that this person was not cut out to be an owner. If he was cut out to be an owner, he would have gone and opened his own practice. That this was his mentality, and that she just needed to understand that money is not what motivated him. She had to radically accept that he was fine with leaving money on the table. It wasn't a big deal. I'm not saying this happens overnight. This takes practice. This takes presence. This takes you being vigilant and watching your thoughts. But this is so freeing when you get to do this, because then, it's refreshing, right? Old way, mistakes are failure. New way, mistakes are data.